Hello learners, you are very welcome to yet another class of physics. My name is Byekwaso Semakula Samuel. I am a teacher of physics. In this class, we are going to demonstrate how volume of a regularly shaped object can be obtained. In this particular class, we are going to take a regularly shaped wooden block. This regularly shaped wooden block is in form of a cuboid. A cuboid has three sides. It has the length, it has the width, which we also call the breadth, then it has the thickness, which we also call the height. So to get the volume of a cuboid, we are going to multiply the length times the width times the height. So we are going to use a meter rule to determine the value of the length. We are going to find the value of the width and then the height. The meter rule measures length in centimeters to 1 decimal place. So we shall start by measuring the length. So in measuring the length, we make sure that one side starts at the 0 mark, and then we look for where the other side ends. So for example, our side has ended there. Now in taking this reading, we make sure that we look at the reading from above in order to avoid what we call the parallax errors. If you read from the sides, the reading we get will have an error called the parallax error. So we read from directly above. And as you can see, here we have a reading of 11.9 centimeters. Next, we measure the width. We put one end at the 0 mark, and then we look for where the other end we reach, and as we can see, we have a reading of 5.8 centimeters. Lastly, we look for the thickness or the height, putting one end at the 0 mark and then looking for where the other one ends. The thickness ends at 4.0. So we have a thickness of 4.0 centimeters. To obtain the volume of this wooden block, we shall say that volume is equal to length times the width times the height. We have a length of 11.9 centimeters times 5.8 centimeters times 4.0 centimeters. You can use your calculator to get the value, and if you've used your calculator well, you realize that we have a value of 276.08 cubic centimeters. This we can round off to 276 cubic centimeters, and that will be the volume of this wooden block.